What is culture? A deep dive into society, power, and change. When you hear the word culture, what comes to mind? Maybe food, traditions, music, or festivals. But what if I told you culture is not just something we have, it's something we do? And understanding this one idea can completely change how you see society, power, and even your own life. We often use the word culture as a noun, a thing, but originally culture was a verb. To culture means to cultivate, and cultivation can take many forms. First, it can mean growing something artificial, like scientists cultivating microorganisms in a lab. Second, it can mean refining human behavior, improving our customs, manners, and the way of living. And third, it can mean developing the human mind through education, thought, and intellectual growth. So, culture at its core is about human effort. It is a process of shaping, refining, and transforming what is natural into something more structured, more meaningful. Culture is not static, it is an ongoing act of creation. But culture does not exist in isolation. It exists with something larger society. Society is not just a group of people, it is a network of relationships, interactions, and patterns. These patterns are shaped by ideas like status, hierarchy, and community. They are influenced by who controls key aspects of life, such as economic resource, technology, and system of values. In other words, society is structured, and those structure influence how people live, interact, and express culture. Now, here's where things get more complex. Not everyone experiences society in the same way. Because of that, not everyone experiences culture in the same way. Most society have inequalities, prefer differ in wealth, status, and opportunities.